How to use QR code on Vivo phone. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can use QR code on Vivo phone. Okay, so guys, in this video you will get to know about QR code scanner. Okay, so from where you can use that QR code scanner, in this video I'm going to tell you that. Okay, so if you have searched all the way on your phone and if you didn't find it, then guys, I'll give you the easiest way to use the QR code scanner. Okay, so guys, if you want to know from where you can use it, just watch the video. Okay, so guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update, so we can start the video. So at first guys, if you search all the way in your home screen, okay, there you won't find any kind of QR code scanner. But guys, there is a default QR code scanner inside the phone, but guys, it is hidden. Okay, so if you want third party application, you will get it on Play Store. If you go to Play Store, if you search for QR code scanner, you will get third party applications. Okay, QR code scanner, you will get many QR code scanner in Play Store. So this is third party application. Okay, but instead of that we have QR code scanner by default in Vivo device. First, go to setting, scroll it down and go to shortcut and accessibility. After that, go to easy touch. Okay, go to easy touch and then you have to enable the easy touch, and now you will get a ball. So tap on the ball and after that here you can see scanner. Okay, so tap on the scan and after that you will see the scanner like this. Okay, so if you have a QR code, just place it and it will scan your QR code. Okay, and guys, there is one more option. It is your gallery. Okay, if you have a QR code on your gallery, then guys, you can go to gallery and from here you can select that QR code and you can scan it. Okay, that's it. So this is how you can use QR code scanner on any kind of Vivo phone. Okay, and guys, if you didn't find this option here, then you can go to Play Store and download the third party application QR code scanner. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.